Hey nail tubers, what is up nailification squad? So these are from the Gershion 6-color gel polish sets. There was about 4 collections and this was the pastel. If I remember correctly, 2 of the sets were shades of a color. An example would be like for all our purple loves, one of the sets was shades of purple. I wanted to try these because I've never tried anything Gershion yet. And from what I've seen on other channels in the past, their polygels have been well liked by many, and since this is an affordable Amazon nail haul series, I thought I'd start by trying their polishes, which are promoted to be, well, the advertisement says 10, but the packaging shows 9 free, which should mean they're free of 9 or 10 harmful chemicals, which I discussed some time ago. As you can see with this conflict of information, you should always be careful, as suggested by the company itself, to do a test before using. The other thing I will also add is when you hear 9 free, 10 free, or whatever, keep in mind it doesn't always mean the exact same chemicals across the brands and products either. So if you tend to or have experienced allergic reactions, and please don't take this as a total negative about this brand. You know that you have to take extra precaution. Oh, and here are curing tips. This is my most favorite color in this set. It's so fresh and pretty. This is a pastel lime green, but the camera isn't quite capturing its beauty. I am loving this canary yellow. It looks so rich. By the way, they're numbered polishes. This pink is just too adorable, isn't it? A pastel coral, guys, which I don't think I've had, and it's so pretty and dainty. Now this pastel purple, I felt it looked more pink. Then I was checking the Amazon page for the link and info for the description box and saw a few reviews, and they actually said the same thing. I would tend to describe it more like a pastel fuchsia. Then the expectation of a pink undertone would make sense. So here are the swatches. The polishes are very well colored. What I've been noticing with the polishes I've been trying lately is how it's just the right consistency and doesn't drip or run while not being too thick. I also noticed a fair to good quality in the brush. I love how the product goes on evenly when the brush is flared out. as well as it polishes on, I would still agree with other reviews and say it looks to be almost close to one coat coverage, but the colors dominate better with two coats. And just so you know, though I purchased this more than a month ago, I also saw when I pulled up the page that right now there are special offers and product promotions. You can save 60% each on qualifying items offered by Gershion Direct when you purchase one or more. And there's a code at checkout. I'll leave this in my description box for you. I do like these polishes and I'm really glad I tried them. If you've been following this channel, you guys know this affordable Amazon nail haul Try It With Me series are giveaways, right? It's for someone to receive the same product to try with me and do your review too. And so far, this is the third product, and there's much more to come as we're doing this all the way into September, guys. Now, there's some things to follow, and that information will be in my description box. And the person who will be gifted this Gershion gel polish set to do a review is Cutie Nails. Congratulations, Q. Cutie Nails has a YouTube channel and has been a nail sister for quite some time. She's into builder gel, learning acrylic, and product reviews too. I can't wait for her to receive these. Guys, if you enjoyed this and if any of this information on this product has been helpful to you, don't forget to check out Q's review as well when she's done with it. There'll be a community tab announcing it, and her video will be part of the playlist as well. Thank you so much for being here today. This series is always so much fun for me to do, and I just look so much forward to the next one. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you enjoyed this, remember guys, offer your support and hit that like button because it really does help. I can't wait to see you next time. Much love.